everybody. How y'all doing? I hope everybody's doing good. This is Carol and Cece. I'm back. I haven't been on here in about a week. A lot has gone on in the world. A lot has gone on in my life and probably yours as well. So today, what I wanted to do is just kind of give you an update on what's going on in my life. Been in touch with the publicist regarding my Chicken Soup for the Soul story, and we are working on, or she is working on, getting promotions or doing whatever she needs to do for me. And I'm just waiting. I'm just coasting and I'm chill. So that's the biggest thing. A lot of us, a lot of the world has gone through a lot of changes in the last week or so, the last few days. So I want to know what y'all are doing to be grounded, to stay focused, to keep your life going the way you want it to go, and to not worry about a doggone thing. Everything is all right. So what I wanted to do today is I've taught you about how to smudge your house. I've talked about affirming, affirmations, and manifesting things to come into your life the way you want and need them to. So I wanted to show you one of the things that I do on a regular basis. Now, I have this crystal singing bowl, and I'm sure you've seen singing bowls that are brass, but they're also crystal ones. I've had this one since the late 90s, and it is huge. It sings, if you will, that's what we usually say, to the note C and the root chakra. So when I want balance and I want grounding and I want quiet and peace, then I play this singing bowl. It raises your vibrations, so it raises your vibrational frequency. It can heal your root chakra, but for me, because I am so connected with it, it also heals other things that are connected in my body regarding the 7 main chakras. If you don't know what that means, go online and look up chakras. Okay, you got some homework to do. Okay, so I'm doing this on my phone and I'm going to step out of camera sight here for a minute, and I want to show you this huge singing bowl. Let's see if I can get a better angle for you. So you see me, I'm 5'3". This is sitting on a table, but you see how wide this is. And see how wide this is. This is what I play my singing bowl with. It's called a striker. You can order these online. This is not its original striker. Its original striker is worn down, so I had to get a new one. They are generally covered in, and let me get closer, a suede tip or leather band. This one has a wood handle, and this is a singing bowl. You can see the outside of it. It's got some wear and tear to it. It's been around for a long time. I actually bought this for my daughter, I think in 1996, but it goes where I go. So no matter where I've moved, it stays with me. I use it for meditation practices. I use it for just clearing energy. If I have a lot of noise or negativity around me, I play this and it stops it. So it's another alternative to grounding yourself and grounding your surroundings, if that makes sense, I hope. You can always check in the comments with me and ask me further questions. If I can be clear, I will do that. So what I'm going to do is show you how it sings. And this, I think, is going to get loud, and I hope YouTube will allow this. I think they will. But what I do is tap on the side. Can you hear the vibrations a little bit? I hope so. And then I'm going to make it sing. So I'm going to be quiet. And if you work with energy, can you hear that? I hope it's still singing or vibrating. Those vibrations go out into the air, into the universe, and brings everything into grounding and focus for me. You probably noticed me putting my hand around it, and I play with energy. So if you work with energy, after you do this, you can actually feel the energy. And this is something I teach students and clients and have for years. Play with the energy, learn how to feel energy, and what that does is helps you to be aware of the energy of people and things around you. We have to be aware of our surroundings. A lot of people nowadays are saying keep your head on a swivel. I kind of agree with that, but I'm always trying to be aware of what energy feels like. If I move somewhere, I like to go into the place. I don't take this with me, but because I do this on a regular basis, I can feel if energy is wrong. You know how you get that feeling sometimes like something doesn't feel right in here? That's energy. You're in tune with your energy to that degree. You can raise those vibrational frequencies even more. And this is one of the ways you can do it with this singing bowl. So I just want to show you a singing bowl. They come in different sizes. Nowadays, they even come in different colors. I like the crystal singing bowl. I am not one for the brass one. It's not that it doesn't work. It's just that I'm used to this one and I love this one. And I love working with the root chakra, note C, like A, B, C, D on the piano or an instrument. So it sits on a ring and it sits, you balance it out, and it is very heavy. I don't remember how much this one weighs. I've weighed it before, but it's heavy. So you can see it's a whole lot wider than I am, okay? And you see I'm kind of struggling lifting it up. So I brought it out of my meditation area to bring it into this area just to show it to you. Now, for example, if I had noisy neighbors or a noisy neighbor that I would like to just have some peace with them and have them to just calm themselves down without even knowing that I'm doing that, because I don't like being confronting people and knocking on doors and saying, could you please turn your music down, or could you please be a little bit quieter? I'm not doing all that because people are too confrontational these days. I just get my singing bowl out, and I'm sure they could hear it out the door and wonder, even now, what in the world was that? But for some reason, it calms them down, or they will leave the building or whatever. It's a wonderful thing to have. So they come in very small sizes up to, this is a bigger one. And I'm not even sure, I think that they come even bigger than this, but I'm gonna play this for you one more time. When I want to bring something in, like bring my energy up and raise it, I will either go counterclockwise sometimes to remove some negativity, or I will go clockwise. So I will go either way, depending upon what my intentions are. Your intentions are everything. And then what I do is I put my striker inside of it. They tell you not to put your head in here. I think that's a good idea. Some people do that. It depends on what level you are in your spiritual quest and your spiritual journey and your own experience. And yeah, so be experienced. Don't play around with it. It vibrates. Okay, so that's the lesson for today, grounding. If you don't have one of these, I'm hoping that if you have good energy and you play this video, then I hope that it will help you to be grounded and balanced out for your day or your evening or whatever you're looking for. So I'm going to bring the camera back up Say goodbye to the singing bowl. All right. So here I am again, and I want to, let's see, that's 10 minutes, almost 11 minutes I've been talking. Let me know in the comments if this helps you, if you have more questions about singing bowls, if you have more questions about energy and being grounded and focused. This is a time in the world we need to be focused. We need to be working on our energy. We need to be grounded and stay in our own nice, safe space, whatever that means to you. So please leave a comment, be respectful. If you're disrespectful, then I'm not going to even, I don't argue with people and I don't do toxicity or negativity. So you'll just be blocked. It's not going to be a debate or a question or any of that kind of stuff. We're not doing all that. So y'all have a blessed day. Stay blessed, not stressed, relate, don't hate, get in your space, stay in your space, and don't have any negativity around you. Don't address it. It's got to go. All right, y'all take care. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you so choose. Excuse me, and please share, okay? All right, take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.